Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Friday, October 22nd, 2021. Let's take a look at the Forex calendar. Important data released overnight were from Australia. PMI manufacturing beats the expectations of 56 points with the actual reading of 57.3. The same situation is for the national CPI data from Japan. As you can see, for the month of September, the CPI was released at the level of 0.2%, which was better than minus 0.8% expected figure and better than last figure of minus 0.4%. Even the CPI excluding the fresh food was good, 0.1%, and exactly 0.1% was expected. PMI manufacturing from Japan, 53 points, beats the expectations of 51.6 points, and it's better than 51.5 point last time. Composite PMI was better as well, 50.7 points versus 49 points expected, and better than 47.9 in the month of the October. So we got some speeches from the John Williams during the night, but generally we are waiting for more data from the European Union. Those data are of course PMI manufacturing, PMI services, and composite PMI data. The most important data from all of the Eurozone are from France, Germany, and of course for the whole Eurozone. They are the same data scheduled for release at 10:30 from the UK as well. And please remember that 12:30 noon we got the key bank rate from the Russian National Bank, Russian Central Bank. We got the possible hike in view from 6.75% to 7.25%. During the New York session, we got some significant news as well. First are from the Canada retail sales as scheduled for release 2:30. ISM manufacturing scheduled for release 3:45, and of course final services PMI and composite PMI are scheduled for release at the same time. Moreover, at 5 p.m. sharp, we have a Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell to give a speech as well. So that's everything for today. Pretty busy day is going to be on Friday, but first we are going to take a look at Japanese yen. So after the data from Japan, we have a down move, okay, in wave 4, as you can see here. So today's data didn't actually help boost at all. So far we have a inside bar formation. Nevertheless, it looks like the wave 4 is still in progress. The question is, what will be the shape of the wave 4? A triangle, a double three, or something like this? We will see in the nearest future. There is nothing wrong with the wave 4 to retrace as long as 112.36, which is 38% of the Fibonacci retracement. So that's okay, but please notice that if we retrace more than 50%, this impulsive wave count is invalidated because of course wave 4 overlaps wave 1. So please pay attention to the level of 38% for the wave, for the maximum retrace of the wave 4. There is a high chance that wave 5 will be eventually extended, because it looks like this wave 3 is only in 5 waves. Wave 1 is quite nice as well, proportionally of course, but the proportions for the wave 5, if wave 4 ends before 38%, are much more bigger, and we can hit easily the levels seen way higher than 116 targets. So please keep an eye on the US dollar to Japanese yen pair, because we have some data from the Eurozone PMI and the other data. Please take a look at euro dollar daily time frame chart. We are moving down inside of this white channel, and the recent level of 1.1662 had been causing problems for bulls. As you can see, we got this formation here with first red candle in a week. However, there is no down move continuation. Why? Because we are very close to the technical support at 1.1613 and 1.1604. Of course, if we break below this zone, this very narrow zone, it's like 10 pips or 9 pips or so. On a daily time frame chart, it's nothing. So if we break below this zone, we can easily go towards the lows of the end of the middle of the October, located somewhere around 1.1525, and then we can go straight down towards 1.15. And please pay attention to this, to the 1.15 level or 1.1497, because that's the key technical support in the long term. So momentum is approaching the level of 50, which is the neutral level, but the market is having a trouble with the technical resistance. If bulls won't break it, then of course we will have another wave to the downside. So what else we can take a look at? It's of course crude oil. Let's take a look at some oil chart. There you go, 84.10. Our target has been hit. And now we are in a very particular situation, because it looks like the recent low was made at the level of 80.79, and the overbought market conditions, even extremely overbought market conditions, are causing this rally from this August, the end of the August 2021. This rally might be in a corrective cycle soon. First, we need to move more than 6% to the downside, and I guess the technical support at 79.45 will be like 6% or something. It's 562. So if we break below 79.45, then there is a chance that we will do deeper correction and towards even the level of 78.04, and that would be, in that situation, the biggest correction during the whole move up. That means this move up is completed and we have the overbalance and the bigger correction, which is not a part of this move up. That means correction will be continued. Well, we will see what will be the final technical support for this market. However, we need to remember crude oil, as you can see here, is in multi-year high. There is no doubt about it. And we should expect this market to go higher after the correction is completed. The only invalidation of this scenario is when we break below 62.34, which is the low of the August, because then we would have something like maybe we would have something like a beginning of head and shoulders formation. Right, so that would be left shoulder, head, down move, and then we need the right shoulder and the multi-year breakout. But if there is no such a thing, the market will continue the uptrend until the uptrend is done. Okay, so at the end of our analysis, Bitcoin was yesterday. Let's take a look at the Ethereum. Let's take a look at the Ethereum today. What is going on here? So we have a very, very, very interesting pattern here. Look at this, a pin bar. It looks kind of like a shooting star, kind of a maybe it's not a doji. The body is too big, but we definitely have 3 waves to the upside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in wave 3. we might have a correction in wave 4, which is not that particularly not that deep, and now we have the top for the wave 5. It looks like we have the top for the wave 5 in place. So we should expect this market to correct. Okay, we are waiting for the correction on the Ethereum, and this will be of course the technical support level. So let me put it in green, and that would be the technical support as well. So there you go. That's the target zone, 4,202, 4,345. So any breakout above would make this wave 5 to extend higher. However, it looks like we are done. We are done with impulsive progression. Let me just change the cycle. Maybe there will be something more like oh, there you go, something smaller than this. So we can look at this 4,000 level. Let me put it like that, and now it's more clear what is going on here on the Ethereum. 5-wave impulsive structure completed. We are waiting for the correction in the corrective, of course, cycle. ABC is the most popular cycle, and we might correct as low as 3,675 before the uptrend resume higher. That's everything for me for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.